Hey guys, how's it going? We're supposed to be filming a little video tonight, and started filming outside for the simple reason that I can hear them working away.
What?
What are you doing?
Working. What are you doing?
Well, weren't we supposed to film something today?
Yeah, I kind of got a head start.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Lots of vibration in this goddamn thing.
No swearing.
Damn it.
I don't even know how to bleep this stuff yet.
Okay, well, one of the issues that I hate with this bike is when I'm starting to slow down because of these tires, right? There's always this vibration, and here's where it's coming from.
Yeah, but this is also in our 5 likes and dislikes, right? Video that we did, what, last week or 2 weeks ago?
Yeah. Should work, hopefully.
Yeah.
So I've already pre-cut it before you showed up, and I use the tire wrap to usually mark where I want my tire wraps to go to hold it. So
So this is just a ordinary
pool noodle.
Pool noodle that you got from the dollar store. You stole your kid's pool noodle to fix your bike. What's wrong with you?
I did.
Why?
They're gonna thank me for it when there's no more vibration left. Oh, it was bad. It was seriously annoying. But I hope I cut it to the right size. I might have taken too much. We'll see. We'll see. We'll shove her in there. Go. I don't want to break it.
Yeah, let me go on the other side there. Man, you need to clean your bike.
Yep, I do. I don't want to break it because it's the only pool noodle I have left.
So...
Look at that. Look at that.
So, let's see. Yeah.
Oh,
It's tighter.
it's gonna work. I love it.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, and
So yeah, just gonna zip tie this down there, and it'll be awesome for the next ride. Looking forward to not hearing this roof going the whole time.
yeah, well, you're the lucky one, right?
Why am I the lucky one?
Well, these guys already know my engine is cooked, and we don't know what we're doing with it yet, whether we're fixing it or...
Yeah, that's true. We'll come up with a plan for it. Go from there. Worst comes to worst, you can always sit here. I could use a winch guy.
I'm already your winch guy.
I know. I'm sorry.
You know what else we need?
What's that?
A snorkel kit.
Ooh, I know. Snorkel kit and some A-arms. Just to give it a little more.
Yeah.
A little more height, you know.
We showed people a few things, but you know, like cheap ways to do things, like your shocks that keep going down. That's another issue right there.
Yeah, I think so too. So what I'm thinking is, perfect. So what I'm thinking is maybe switch out the A-arms, and if it still does that, because we're gonna have to readjust the shocks once the A-arms are put in, right?
Technically, right now they're to spec.
Right now they're to spec?
They're to spec right now.
Okay, so we might need to change springs. Damn. Wasn't expecting that.
You know what? We can make a sketchy video out of that one.
Oh, yeah. Not looking forward to that one.
But it all depends if...
Make sure there's no kids around.
There will definitely be no kids around.
Make sure there's no kids around, guys.
But, yeah, we'll do it in my shop.
Yes. Please.
Yeah, because I don't think it's going to come in here after we lift this thing.
No, my door is not big enough, so that'll be another issue, guys. We might have to chop, cut, and rebuild. We might.
You know you can order cages for this, right?
How much are those?
I don't know.
You want to do this on a budget, or you want to do this as expensive as possible?
Well, you and I both know I ain't made of money, and you're broke too, so...
That's what happens when you got kids. Just kidding. Love you guys.
Love you guys. Listen to this guy. He loves his kids. He loves his wife.
Hey man, happy wife, happy life.
Happy spouse, happy house. But here's another thing, man.
Where did I put those?
Put what?
My side cutters. Trim these up.
Use your teeth.
I am not using my teeth for that.
Come on.
You see them anywhere? Aw, it's gonna be like my 10mm socket. You never find them.
Hey, but I found one the other day walking on the side of the road.
That is true. You're lucky.
I ain't that lucky. I didn't win 649 yet.
Ooh, no, I'm hoping to. I would be nice. Make it a lot cheaper to work on these things. Seriously, where do you go? Oh, he's down. Barely. He's got the big ones, while I got the minis here.
Yeah, but I don't have time to waste. So yeah, I guess this was the video you wanted to do today?
Yeah, I guess so. It's a quick and easy one.
You got another thing you want to do today? Well, tonight to be exact.
Nah, we'll make another video. Why not?
Video about what? Like, other than writing and customization, we basically need to fix anything?
Not necessarily, but I could do a video of what I like and don't like about this bike.
That's already been done.
That's right. I guess it's a short one tonight. Unless we think of something else.
I highly doubt it.
We'll see.
So, if you guys like us joking around and things like that, teasing each other, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Like this video.
A pool noodle. Awesome. Love it.
A pool noodle.
It'll work.
A dang pool noodle, guys.
It'll work. Seriously. It'll work.
Hey, you think it's gonna get out your garage door now?
Oh yeah.
You had 1/4 of an inch of clearance for the garage door.
Oh yeah. I hope.
If he rips this garage door down when he pulls it out, I hope he films it. So you guys can look at him and laugh, and smile about this.
Oh yeah. That would be fun.
Have a good one, guys.
See you guys.